Welcome to Blast number 24. Starting with question 1. Which book did Ted buy for Leonard's birthday? Listen carefully to the clues. Eliminate those that don't belong, and you will find the answer. Clue 1. He has already read every book written by Farmer Hogg. Clue number 2. He doesn't collect things for a hobby. Clue number 3, he doesn't like mathematics. What? Shame on him. Clue number 4, Ted thinks he probably wouldn't read a very thick book. Clue number 5, he is not interested in science fiction. Ted bought him which book? Question number 2. Reassemble the expanded number in the place value chart. Then write it on the answer line. Don't forget to put in the zeros as placeholders. Question 3. The diagram represents a triangle with a base 8 meters long and a height of 5 meters. What would its area be in square meters? Question number 4. It is 6 p.m. Central Standard Time in Houston. Okay, so you might not be able to see this very well, but Houston is in Texas. This is Central Standard Time. Okay, what time is it Eastern Standard Time in Miami? So Miami's in Florida. This is Eastern Standard Time right here. Okay, so you need to know the time difference according to these two clocks. Question number 5, still thinking of 6 p.m. Central Standard Time in Houston. Now, what time is it in Mountain Time in Denver? So Denver's in Colorado, so you now are looking in Mountain Time. Question 6. If 3 pence cost $12, how much does 1 cost? Question 7. Now that you have found the price of 1, you should be able to work out the cost of 5 pence. Don't forget you're answering all of your answers up here at the top of your sheet on the answer lines. Okay, we are going to skip questions 8 and 9, so you can cross those out. If you will cross them out up here as well so that your teachers remember. They are measuring ones and you do not have the exact, it's a scaled down version. So let's go to questions 10 through 13. Imagine you are looking down on the Earth and Sun from a distant place in the galaxy when answering the next 5 questions about the diagram on your page. The Earth has been divided into 24 equal sections, like the pieces that make up a tangerine. So, like of an orange. The dot in the middle is the North Pole. Okay, so here's the North Pole. It takes the Earth 1 hour to turn or rotate the distance of one of these sectors, which is a 15-degree turn. All right, question 10. At the moment, it is midday in Sector A. In another hour, Sector B will be where? At where A is now. Sector A will be where X is now. Where will X be in an hour's time? Question 11. It is midday at A. What time is it at D? Question 12. It is midday at A. What time is it at U? Question 13. In which sectors is it dark? Question 14. The time difference between Boston on the East Coast and San Francisco on the West Coast is 3 hours. Across how many time zones does the United States stretch? So if it helps me to go back to this one, there's not a 14 on here, but that might help you. Question 15. Which amount from those on your sheet is closest to 5 lots of 99? Questions 16 and 17. Question 16. Look at the scale drawing on your sheet. Side CD is 3 meters long. Side AB is 6 meters long. What will the length of side EF be? Question 17. Side BC is 6 meters long. Side AF is 2 meters long. What will the length of ED be? The last 3 questions are about the problem on your sheet. The first thing we must ask ourselves when solving problems is, what am I trying to figure out? Question 18. What is this problem asking us to find? Write A, B, or C on the answer line at the top. A. What is the mass of 3 cans of peaches? B. What is the mass of 1 can of peaches? Or C. How many peaches in 2.475 kilograms? 19. The next step in problem solving is to ask, how can I find the answer? Which operation symbols would you use to find the answer to this problem? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And question 20. Use the working space to work out the answer. Write your answer on answer line 20. Okay, that's it for Blast 24.